In a world where modern RVs are loaded with smart technology, touchscreens, and sleek aerodynamic designs, there is still something undeniably magical about vintage caravans that capture the spirit of a bygone era. One such creation is the rare 1950s Vickers Morecambe Caravan, an eccentric and glamorous travel trailer that embodies the flamboyance of post-war Britain. Now offered for sale, this caravan is more than just a collector's piece. It is a time capsule that transports anyone who steps inside straight back to the golden age of road travel. Unlike the modest, practical caravans of the 1950s, which were designed simply to give working families a quick weekend escape, the Vickers Morecambe was in a class of its own. Produced in small numbers until the 1970s, these caravans were not ordinary vacation trailers. They were extravagant rolling homes designed with luxury and artistry that rivaled even the iconic Airstreams from America. In fact, they were considered the Rolls-Royce of caravans, complete with patterned cabinetry, mirrored and frosted glass, lavish chrome details, vinyl seating, and even tiled fireplaces. For traveling showmen, circus performers, and gypsy families living a nomadic lifestyle, owning a Vickers was not only about comfort but also about making a bold statement. The man behind these dazzling caravans was Harry Vickers, a flamboyant figure himself. Born in Bolton, he lived an extraordinary life as a trapeze artist under the stage name Henri de Rondy, and even billed himself as the world's strongest man in traveling fairs. After the Second World War, he shifted his energy into building caravans in Morecambe, Lancashire, blending his theatrical flair with craftsmanship. His creations were not only functional, but also works of art, each caravan tailored to the tastes of its buyers with varying levels of chrome, decorative glasswork, and detailed finishes. The caravan now up for sale is believed to date back to the 1950s and has been preserved with much of its original interior intact. Inside, the space oozes mid-century glamour. Visitors are greeted with curved cabinetry, etched glass panels, mirrored surfaces, and a built-in tiled fireplace that gives it a homely yet decadent atmosphere. A plush U-shaped sofa, upholstered in vinyl, serves as both lounge seating and a convertible bed, while the open-plan layout reflects the free-spirited design philosophy of the time. Chrome details shine with only a light patina of age, while etched planter motifs on the glass remain beautifully preserved, making the caravan a stunning time capsule. This particular unit has not been used as a traveling caravan in recent years. Instead, it found new life as a vacation rental at a circus-themed property, and even served as a glamorous backdrop for wedding photo shoots and film projects. However, before it can return to the open road, some chassis repairs will be needed. Still, the opportunity to own such a rare piece of British caravan history is extraordinary, especially as so few original examples have survived. One preserved Vickers caravan can be found at the Beamish Museum in northeast England, but the majority have disappeared into obscurity. The Vickers Morecambe Caravan reflects not only the craftsmanship of its time, but also the eccentricity and resilience of post-war Britain. While modern RVs may offer more convenience, very few can match the character, history, and storytelling embedded in every polished chrome detail of this caravan. For collectors, enthusiasts, or simply anyone enchanted by the retro glamour of the 1950s, this is more than a trailer. It is a rolling piece of cultural heritage, a reminder of a time when even the simplest road trip could feel like a grand adventure.